Hello guys, Zach from New Zealand. We have ps4 which is not turning on and no power at all. So we have taken the board out and figure out that that is the power button which is broken. So this is a very common repair and it's easy to fix if you have got the power button and you know how to solder it back. So I will show you here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So, okay, maybe you can check here. So, I will get the user. So, this is the power button. So the button which you press, that is mounted here, and you press it and then it turns on. So I will remove the power button from the donor board and I will show you how it actually looks like. So see here, so it has got this black button here that when you press it down it turns on the system. And if you look at here, see, nothing here is broken. I will show you under the microscope. Okay, so here do you see? Make it a little bit. Okay, so see, this is broken. So this actually a plastic part here which press down and then this is broken, and this is um, the one which I will remove from this board and then install it here. So I will show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. So first of all, we will remove this broken button like this. Okay. So that plastic part, it will burn anyway because I'm hitting it from the top. I can see it's like sort of melting now. You see the plastic part is also, it's not even melting, so this is high temperature. There you go, remove it. So the next thing I will be doing is cleaning it with the Flux so that the new button that sits. Alright, okay, that's done. So this is the ps4 power button which I have taken it out from the donor board. Now we will solder it back here. So first of all, I will just align it here. Now guys, the problem here with these sort of buttons, small part, how to hold them, they can move while you are soldering. So this is, I would recommend you to use. If you have to hold these small parts which you have to solder back, you can use this sort of reversed users. So go back here and I will hold it here. See, easy. Now I will just
3 minutes once you say. Thanks.
I'm just putting it as much close, because if it's not on the right position, then maybe the switch, which is the plastic part, that is you press and it turns on, it might not click properly, but this is close enough. Okay, you can't see it properly, so I will just bring it here. See, so from this side it straight here. That looks pretty good to me. Okay, so now the next thing we will be doing is um, take some solder wire, little bit of more flux. See, easy to work this way with the reversed user. See, it's not even moving now. So next thing is my favorite part, soldering, and little bit of here, little bit of here. This is, I think this one is grounded, that's why it's a little bit harder to melt. And a bit here and a bit here. Let's flow them a little bit more to make sure. Okay, now we will remove this, and I would like to give it a clean with isopropyl alcohol, not too much because I don't want to damage that click mechanism inside. So I will get a little bit of cotton bud and then clean it. And then dry off like this. I don't like this when these cotton buds, they leave this thread there. So now we will check it if the click is working. It's sort of, maybe there is some flux inside. So I will give it a little bit more clean, but now it's clicking. Yeah, all good.
Oh yeah. Yes, we did. We did. We do a lot for that you're using.
So I gave it a little bit more cleaning, and now it's clicking fine. So this was a quick video for you how if your PS4 is not turning on, it could be the power button, and if you don't feel the click when you press it, that most probably is the power button. That is easy to replace, and yeah, it should work fine. Thank you.